Alright guys, welcome back to Underground Science, and in this video we're going to be talking about metachromatic leukodystrophy, okay, which is another type of lysosomal storage disorder, okay, and so yeah, let's go and get started. So first thing we should know is that the inheritance pattern for this disease, metachromatic leukodystrophy, is autosomal recessive. Alright, so again, it's a lysosomal storage disease. Main thing we have to focus on is what enzyme is deficient and what accumulates. Okay, so what enzyme is deficient in metachromatic leukodystrophy? Okay, so that enzyme that's deficient is aryl sulfatase A. Okay, so if this enzyme is deficient, right, we have to have some lipid that builds up. Okay, so what accumulates? So what accumulates is cerebroside sulfate. Okay, cerebroside sulfate. All right. So what's the side effects of this, right? What's the consequences of a buildup of cerebroside sulfate? Well, this buildup, cerebroside sulfate actually builds up in the lysosomes, right? So this is bad because if cerebroside sulfate builds up in the lysosomes of, certain cells like oligodendrocytes or Schwann cells, that's gonna damage your myelin, right? Because remember what oligodendrocytes do. They're the glial cells of the central nervous system that are responsible for making myelin, right, around your neurons. Schwann cells make myelin around your peripheral nerves, right? So if you have a buildup of this cerebroside sulfate in the lysosomes of your, cells, like for example, like your oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells, your myelin's going to start getting destroyed, right? Because that may be toxic to your oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells. So in that case, what I'm trying to say is that a buildup of cerebroside sulfates leads to certain findings like demyelination of your nerves in your central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Okay, so that means that what are we going to find, right? If we have demyelination of nerves in our central nervous system and peripheral nervous system, what that can lead to is ataxia and dementia. All right, so these are the two main findings that we should know: ataxia and dementia. In what? In metachromatic leukodystrophy. Why? Because we have accumulation of cerebroside sulfate. Okay, well, what enzyme's deficient? Aryl sulfatase A. Okay, that's basically it. All right, so that's metachromatic leukodystrophy. And I hope to see you guys in my next video, which is going to be another lysosomal storage disorder video. Okay, thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys there.